Welcome. In this quick tour, we're going to go through all the main features of Cargosun freight management software. Main dashboard, the shipments view, creating a new shipment, booking a transport, automatic notifications, new carrier setup, freight statistics, and extra features and support. Let's start off with Cargosun main dashboard. It is the first page you're going to see after logging in. Here, you can see the shipment lists where you can have the full overview of all your different freight shipments, regardless if it's inbound, outbound, domestic, or cross-trade. Here you can search and filter your shipments in various ways. You can use shipment reference number, customer and company names or tags. You can also sort and filter shipments by date as well as by countries and addresses. Here you can sort your shipments by carriers. But as you guessed, the shipments overview in Cargosun does not end with booking. You can also see simple visual milestones of your shipments. There are 5 different statuses: unconfirmed, confirmed, collected, delivered, or completed. So, you'll have right away a complete overview of your shipments. And should you need more information, just click on the tracking link and you will be directed to carrier's website for real-time tracking. Yet the most exciting feature in the shipment view is that you are able to not just see your personal work table, but also the shipments of the whole team. So replacing an employee who is on vacation or on medical leave becomes absolutely hassle-free. And when you're in a supervisory role, then having the overview of everyone's bookings help you to manage and understand your team significantly better. Creating a new shipment. There are 3 options in Cargosun to create new shipments. First is fully automated booking, where information is sent directly to Cargosun from your current ERP system or e-commerce platform. The second option is to use a semi-automatic solution, where you can bulk upload shipments from Excel spreadsheet. You just have to create an XLS file with all your shipments, upload it, and there you have it. All your newly created shipments are here, visible in Cargosun shipments list. If the integration setup with ERP or importing spreadsheet seems too much of a hassle, then no worries. The third option is to simply add new shipments manually from the shortest smart form you've ever seen. With just a few clicks, you can add the collection and delivery addresses and dates. All the inserted contacts will be added to your contacts list for easy access in the future. And Cargosun Address Book is also integrated to the mighty Google. Adding an email address to your shipments contacts will raise your logistics automation level even higher, as it is possible to send automatic personalized notifications. A click on the arrows lets you choose if it's export or import. Adding goods information, Incoterms, documents, reference numbers, and comments to carrier is pretty straightforward. All in all, there's nothing particularly new when you have used any global carrier e-system before. It may be worth to mention the tags, which you can add to better organize, filter, or segment your shipments and statistics later on. Where it gets much more interesting is when you click to open the next view, booking a transport. In this view, you have detailed overview of your shippers and their contacts. Here you can see each shipment's CO2 emission, transit time, and freight price. You'll have the most convenient overview of all criteria to make the best decision. It takes just one click to request for personal offer and to make a booking from your preferred carrier, so you can forget all the hassle of using multiple carrier web portals, sending email inquiries, comparing price lists, and transit times. Once you have placed a booking, it gets even better. Booking will be sent automatically to carrier's e-system or email, depending on the carrier's integration capabilities. All those necessary carrier labels, CMRs, and consignment notes will be generated instantly. Tracking will start automatically and you can chat with carrier on the same page, so you'll have all the information in the right place. It can't get any simpler than that. And since Cargosun is a software as a service tool, not a middleman, You'll interact directly with your transport partners, which allows you to keep all your existing contacts, payment terms, credit limits, and you'll still get your invoices directly from them. Automatic notifications. Once the shipment is booked, Cargosen can start sending out automatic logistics data for key people. Automated personalized and branded notification system keeps your customers and suppliers always in the loop. To set up automatic email messages, you'll need to go to Notification Settings. Here, you can select the notifications and the recipients. These notification emails will go out from your behalf to emails you added together with collection and delivery addresses. For example, delivery contact should get a booking confirmation, and collection contact will get the carrier labels. Notifications can be sent to the warehouse or even to the sales and finance departments. And if you wish to look over that messages have been sent correctly, you can always check it from the log file. Just click on the log button and you can see all the messages and actions with timestamps for each shipment. New carrier setup. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to set up carriers and add in price lists to your account. It's insanely easy. Just go to the menu My Carriers, where you can add and modify carriers. Add carriers by typing down the name of the carrier and save them to your account. With those carriers who work via email, you are already up and running. With those carriers who have e-portals, you're going to have to make 2 more clicks. When clicking on the carrier in My Carriers list, you can integrate your Cargosen account by clicking Request Credentials. Carrier will get your requests and will add your credentials usually within 1 to 2 days. You can see integrated sign from your account when it's done. You can actually insert integration credentials also manually if you already know them. Keep in mind that if you don't have a valid contract with that certain carrier, then you should probably want to have this in place at first as well. If price and transit time does not matter, then you're basically ready to go. But if you want to become more efficient and get full value from Cargosen, then click Add New Price List button and upload the agreed carrier price list from your computer. And now you are up and running. I told you, it's insanely easy. Statistics. You know what else is insane? The amount of detailed statistics you'll have when using Cargosen. You'll have visual overview of different data and statistics. For example, total transport costs, savings, carbon dioxide emissions, booking statistics by partner and direction, interactive metrics, sector diagrams, and so on. Yet you can go even more detailed level and export raw data. There you have Excel spreadsheet with full shipment-based information what you can analyze based on your specific needs. Extra features and support. As Cargosen is like a city that is always growing, then there are much more features that we did not cover today, such as connecting your own business software to Cargosen, loading calendar for your dock scheduling, tailor CMR to smart edit your CMRs, third-party ordering for suppliers to book shipments on your behalf, and more. Then we encourage you to become the citizen of Cargosen, and we'll be happy to be your tour guide via CargoBot, email, or personal demo to show you all the sightseeings in our city. So that's a brief overview of Cargosen. We hope you're excited and ready to make your freight management a whole lot easier.